Good evening, everyone. You can probably hear it's Saturday evening. I'm just recording this for you for tomorrow for the third question. Probably hear it's like most of you, and I hope everyone is safe. It's blowing a gale here in Lincolnshire. Not as bad as you've had it, from what I can hear. Down across the west side of the country and across Wales has been quite horrendous, and I generally hope everyone's okay, and their pigs, of course. So here we are with question 3. Question 3 is called sequencer. What we're trying to do is get you to figure out the missing word from the sequence. So, for example, I was to say to you J F M A M J J A S O N D as a sequence, and I was to miss out the second M, for example. They are the letters for the months of the year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, etc. All on. And the second M would be May, which would be the fifth month, obviously. And what we would ask you to try and do from that is the number of letters from that word. So with May is a 3-letter word, so the answer would be 3. So we've got 2 questions here, following similar process. You've got to basically identify what the sequence of words are, and what the question mark refers to a letter, and that letter refers to a word. What we will need you to find out is the number of letters in that word to add to the list of numbers. So you can see on the left hand side where it says K equals or N equals, I can't remember exactly off the top of my head which ones they are. That's the letter, that's what you need to record down in your book along with the other ones, for example. So if using the example of May and the letter K would equal 3. That's what you need to record in your book along with the other 2 questions, which are also available in this series. I'll put a little link up there to the playlist so you can see all the questions from there. So we are almost halfway through the questions. The next one will be out probably Tuesday next week. Be 2 next week, Tuesday and probably Thursday, and then another one on Sunday. So I hope you're all enjoying the quiz. Obviously every year I try and keep it different from the previous year, make it a little bit more interesting. I will be dropping some clues in future, especially after this one. I feel this one might be slightly more challenging, especially the second question, without any sort of potential steer in the right direction, shall we say. A small clue anyway, so I will be giving clues. But please do enjoy it, it's good fun. Any questions about anything so far, please comments below, please, that would be fantastic. Please, I did make a mistake on the previous post. Do not write your answers in the comments below. Just write questions. Obviously, we're all planning for these this fantastic package of the Inkbird humidity and temperature controller for your curing chamber, your curing and smoking book from River Cottage, and also your Salami and Chorizo curing starter pack. It gives you everything you need to do to put that curing chamber together and have a go at making some chorizo or salami. Personally, I prefer salami over. Sorry, that's incorrect. Personally, I prefer chorizo over salami, but that's just my personal preference. Anyway, good luck. Hope you enjoyed. Please stay safe through this weather. I know tomorrow is supposed to be just as bad, so I hope this Christmas competition will give you a chance to take your mind off what's going on outside with the heavy winds and worrying about your animals. It's not easy, but it is going to pass. So please, again, all do stay safe, and I will speak to you next week. Good luck.